The International Smart Factory Summit is the place to come to shape the future of manufacturing.
Die einzige Konferenz, die Betreiber von Smart Factories weltweit anspricht.
This year we have more than 160, 170 people joining more than 20 plus countries.
And the reason I'm here is to learn about smart factory innovation.
So these kinds of events are really great in getting inspiration, first-hand insights of the state-of-the-art technology, what's possible now, but already giving a glimpse into the future.
I like the diversity of the audience, so you have really people from science, from education, from the industries here to really inform them about what's next.
It's that network of expertise that create the ecosystem that I felt missing.
This year's topic, which is deep tech, is one of the relevant topics because of the evolution of different technologies. When we talk about AI, quantum, metaverse,
we use these technologies to bring up new business models, to make new things, for example.
Artificial intelligence is coming into the game from different perspectives, and you can see and feel that big of data becomes more relevant.
So in this, together with all the experts, we discussed about how different technologies can collaborate and it can bring more productivity in a smart factory.
The most interesting in one of those that's actually very dear to my heart right now is the whole issue of AI innovation and digital and the skills gap that we're currently being confronted with. What are some of those solutions that we can do, especially around smart manufacturing academies?
And the exciting thing is that in a few years, if we get this right, we can really move away from a skills gap to the vision gap. So our only limitations will be how to creatively bring together AI's and humans' capabilities.
And I think we need places like this summit here, to talk about our future, about the things we invent, about the things we want to bring into the companies.
Year by year, the amount of people, the amount of expertise is growing, and that makes it really, really interesting for myself, so I come again for sure.
Von daher Glück auf, Swiss Smart Factory. Ich freue mich schon sehr auf die Veranstaltung nächstes Jahr und bis dahin viele Innovationen.